Okay, let's begin to install this machine. Firstly, please find the 3 handle bracket. This one is for Elight handle bracket, and this one is RF handle bracket. And this one is curving like this. It is a YAG-laser handle bracket. And now let's begin to install them just like this, tightening the screws. And here tightening these 2 screws. This one has 2 handle brackets, tightening the screws like this. Okay, now let's begin to install the handles. Here is the laser handle bracket. Okay, let's install the pedal switch connector. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Unscrew the water filling nozzle and the water overflowing nozzle. And fill the water, connect the funnel and the water filling nozzle and fill water like this. And when you see the water overflowing nozzle spilled waters, it means the water is full now, and tightening them. Okay, let's connect the power line. Now let's begin to test it. And press here. It is the OPTS HR system. Put the filters into it. Okay, ready? And you can slide the treatment handle on your skins, back and forth. Okay, now. And you can see the RF handle light is lightening and adjust the treatment parameters. And you can slide on their skins. going to test the laser. And install the probes. Stand on the head like this. Then adjust the frequency. Okay, that's all.